Yeah, that's okay. Dragonite. Okay, that's good. That's good. Dragonite. I'll take Dragonite out. I mean, what I can do is fly it up. Hit him with fly. He'll take us out. Then I think Raticate's too super. Never mind. Never mind. No idea that Thunder could do that while he was flying. That is nuts. That is literally insane. Still have Sand Slash. We'll see what Mr. Raticate can do, man, against this guy. Come on, Raticate. Super Fang. I think Super Fang does damage to Dragonite. He did last time I fought him. And he was like 6 levels of below him. Look at that, dude. Look at that. Raticate about crushed him. Dude, Raticate, stay up and it's done. Oh my gosh. 3 more levels, I guarantee you Raticate eats his lunch, man. It's over. It's not even close. Dragonite just got crushed by Raticate, man. Alright, dude, Ice Punch it. Dragon Claw is gonna do a lot of damage on me, yep. Second. Do 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 do. Dragonite did Thunder. Alright, he's done. He's toasted. Give me a second. Sand Slash. Let's see what we got here. Crush Claw just to get him out. Alright, he's done. Beautiful.